Have you ever felt like the world of finance was designed to keep you out? Like investing was some secret club with an impossible to decipher dress code and an even harder to crack handshake? For decades, that was the reality for millions. High fees, complex jargon, and a gatekeeping mentality meant that building wealth felt reserved for a select few. But what if there was a company that decided to flip that script? What if they set out to make financial freedom not just a dream, but an accessible reality for everyone? That's the story of Wealthsimple, and over the past 5 years, it's a story that has unfolded with remarkable speed and impact. From its origins as a disruptor in the Canadian robo-advisor space, Wealthsimple has transformed into a comprehensive financial platform, challenging the status quo and redefining what it means to manage your money in the 21st century. Let's rewind to early 2020. The world was on the cusp of unprecedented change, and so was Wealthsimple. At this point, Wealthsimple had already established itself as a rising star in fintech, primarily known for its automated investing platform. It was making waves by offering low-cost, diversified portfolios with a user-friendly interface, a stark contrast to the traditional, often opaque, world of mutual funds and commission-heavy brokers. They had around 500,000 clients and just under $10 billion in assets under administration, a respectable feat for a company that started in 2014. But this was just the prologue. The real acceleration began as the world navigated the complexities of a global pandemic. Suddenly, people were spending more time at home, many were looking for new ways to engage with their finances, and the retail trading frenzy was about to explode. Wealthsimple was uniquely positioned to capture this shift. Their existing commitment to digital-first solutions, ease of use, and low fees resonated deeply with a new generation of investors and those looking for more control over their money. One of the most pivotal moments in this 5-year journey was the explosion of Wealthsimple Trade. Launched as a beta in August 2018 and publicly in March 2019, this commission-free stock and ETF trading app became an absolute game-changer. Imagine buying and selling stocks without paying a dime in commission. This was revolutionary in the Canadian market, where traditional brokerages often charged hefty fees per trade. As the meme stock phenomenon took hold in early 2021, Wealthsimple Trade saw unprecedented growth. Their user base quadrupled in the weeks after New Year's Day, experiencing a growth rate that made 2020 look slow by comparison. This wasn't just about riding a wave, it was about having built the infrastructure and the product that could handle immense demand and appeal to a vast, underserved market. Wealthsimple's engineering team had actually planned for 10x growth, preparing for potential surges, which allowed them to withstand the intense volume without buckling, a testament to their foresight and technical prowess. But Wealthsimple's growth wasn't just about attracting new traders. It was about expanding its ecosystem to become a true alternative to traditional banks. In January 2020, they launched Wealthsimple Cash, initially as a hybrid savings/checking account offering high interest rates. This evolved in November of that year into a peer-to-peer cash transfer app, eventually becoming a full-fledged checking account with competitive interest rates and features. The aim was clear: to offer a comprehensive suite of financial products under one intuitive roof. This move signaled a broader ambition, to go beyond just investing and manage every aspect of a user's financial life. The strategic acquisitions also played a crucial role in their expansion. In 2019, Wealthsimple acquired SimpleTax, a popular pay-what-you-want tax filing software. This integration, now known as Wealthsimple Tax, was a stroke of genius. It brought another essential financial service into their fold, offering a seamless, digital-first tax filing experience that resonated with millions who were tired of outdated software and confusing processes. The pay-what-you-want model further cemented Wealthsimple's image as a company committed to accessibility and fairness. Beyond these individual product launches, Wealthsimple has consistently pushed the boundaries of what a financial institution can be. They became Canada's first regulated crypto platform in 2020, offering a secure and user-friendly way for Canadians to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. This was a bold move, embracing a rapidly evolving asset class while many traditional institutions remained hesitant. It positioned Wealthsimple at the forefront of financial innovation, catering to the growing interest in digital assets. In 2022, they achieved another significant milestone, becoming the first non-bank, non-credit union to be approved for a direct settlement account by the Bank of Canada. This was a huge step, granting them direct access to Canada's future real-time rail payment system, further solidifying their position as a major player in the financial landscape and paving the way for even more sophisticated banking services. The sheer numbers tell a compelling story of growth. In November 2020, Wealthsimple reported $8.4 billion in assets under management, AUM. By May 2021, that number had jumped to $9.7 billion, and by September 2022, it reached $17.5 billion. Fast forward to November 2024, and Wealthsimple was boasting over $50 billion in AUM, a truly remarkable leap. As of June 2025, that figure has climbed to over $70 billion. This exponential growth in AUM directly correlates with their expanding user base. From around 500,000 clients in 2020, Wealthsimple now serves over 3 million Canadians, including a significant portion of adults under 40. This demonstrates their success in attracting and retaining a diverse range of clients, from seasoned investors to those just starting their financial journey. But growth isn't always a smooth upward curve. Wealthsimple has also faced its share of challenges. In 2022, as the market experienced a pullback, the company, unfortunately, had to cut around 13% of its staff. They also strategically exited their U.S. expansion efforts, selling their U.S. book of business to Betterment to focus more intensely on the Canadian market. While these were difficult decisions, they underscore a commitment to strategic focus and long-term sustainability. The valuation of the company also saw some fluctuations, with a peak valuation of $5 billion Canadian dollars in 2021, which later adjusted. However, what's crucial is their continued upward trajectory in revenue and assets, and importantly, the announcement in September 2024 that Wealthsimple had achieved profitability after 10 years in operation. This is a significant turning point, proving the viability of their low-fee model at scale. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.